Ever caught yourself wondering where your field techs are when they're supposed to be knocking on doors? Or maybe you're tired of those vague, "I'm on my way" texts that never seem to arrive on time. If you're nodding along, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Housecall Pro to figure out just how you can keep tabs on your employees without feeling like a helicopter boss. Let's face it, running a service-based business is tough. You've got a million things to juggle, from scheduling to invoicing, and everything in between. But keeping track of your team's whereabouts shouldn't be one of them. Housecall Pro, with its promise of streamlined operations, should be your secret weapon. So, let's unlock that potential. First off, let's clarify something. We're not talking about turning your employees into tiny, tracked robots. This is about efficiency, not espionage. It's about ensuring your customers get the service they deserve when they expect it. And it's about making sure your team is as productive as possible. So, how do we do this magical feat of employee tracking? Well, Housecall Pro offers a few nifty tools. Let's break them down. Number 1. Job status updates. This is the bread and butter of tracking your team. When a tech marks a job as in progress or complete, it gives you a real-time snapshot of where they are. Now, this isn't pinpoint accuracy, but it's a great starting point. Number 2. GPS tracking. If available, some versions of Housecall Pro offer GPS tracking. If you're lucky enough to have this feature, you can see your tech's location on a map in real time. It's like having a tiny satellite following your team around. Number 3. Job scheduling. This isn't directly tracking, but it's closely related. By carefully scheduling jobs, you have a general idea of where your techs should be at any given time. If someone is way off schedule, it's a red flag that something might be up. Number 4. Communication tools. Housecall Pro often comes with built-in communication tools like messaging. While not tracking in the traditional sense, these tools can give you clues about a tech's whereabouts or any potential issues they're facing. Now, let's talk about how to use this information wisely. It's tempting to become an overbearing boss, constantly hovering over your team. Resist the urge. This is about improving efficiency, not micromanaging. Use the tracking data to identify trends. Are there certain times of day when your team seems to be less productive? Are there areas where they're spending more time than expected? Use this information to optimize routes, adjust schedules, or provide additional training. Also, remember that unexpected things happen. Traffic jams, equipment failures, even the occasional bathroom break can throw a wrench in the best-laid plans. Cut your team some slack. If someone is consistently off schedule, then it's time for a conversation. But don't assume the worst right away. And finally, let's talk about transparency. Your team needs to know that you're tracking their movements. Be open about it. Explain why you're doing it and how the information will be used. This builds trust and can even lead to increased productivity. So there you have it. Tracking your employees doesn't have to feel invasive or distrustful. When used correctly, it can be a powerful tool for improving efficiency and customer satisfaction. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.